Okay, this is a mini lesson on algebraic expressions, and I'm just going to go through the steps of how to solve these, and it's pretty simple. This is just a little introduction to chapter 3. So you can see here, our step 1 always is to write the problem. See here, our problem is 2x plus 3y. Our second step is we are going to identify our variables. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Okay, make sure you're including this in your notes. Now that we've identified the variables, we are going to substitute the variable's value for the variables in the equation. So you can see here that x is equal to 2, so I replaced x with the number 2. Y is equal to 4, so I replaced my y with 4. Now I'm going to solve using my order of operations. So first I do my multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4. And then we have our other multiplication problem over here. 3 times 4 is 12. And lastly, after I've completed that, I would do the next step, which would be 4 plus 12. We know 4 plus 12 equals 16, so we have solved this algebraic expression by substituting our x and y values in for the x and y in the expression. Make sure that you have this information copied into your notes. Once you are done with that, come see me and I will give you the directions to start the game.